So now you've made your device, I want you to now have a think about sort of how it went, and I want you to think of some or write some sentences about how the project went. So these are some of the questions I'd maybe like you to answer. You don't have to answer all of them. If you want to maybe do one or two, that's absolutely fine. So things like, what was the best part about making, or what was the best part about these two lessons? Was it learning about all the facts about plastic? Was it planning? Was it designing? What you found difficult? So what did you find the hardest? Maybe when making it or when planning it. What would you do differently? So you've done your design, you've done your plan. What do you think you could do to make it even better? And maybe one that would be really good for you to do is, what was the best facts that you've learned about pollution in the oceans? You can either sort of have a think about the ones that we learned yesterday, or if you want to do your own research about pollution in the oceans, feel free. But again, I'm looking forward to seeing some of your fantastic answers to this.